Oh, look at that. So we are saving dollars. Hi everyone, welcome to Mina's Day Vlog. So today is a very nice day because I have here dragon fruit. Yay! So instead of buying in the market, we have free. Not bad. Another one. Wow. But I'm not sure what color this dragon fruit, because in here we planted different kind, assorted already. We get white, red, red small, ooh, there you go. Two, and I think I get one more. That's the small one. So let's go. Okay, so look at this. It's in the ground already. Oops. Oh, so, it fell. I don't need to cut. So this one is small. Small but sweet.
If it's red.
Yeah, this is red. I get more coming, like this one. There. You can see it's already pinkish.
All the small
And the other one in there. And look at this. 3 in just one like this. Hopefully they will make it 3 buds. There, this one. This one just a small stem and then get 5. There. Wow, 5. And on this side they are lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. And then this one soon to be picked also. You can see it pinkish already. So I get 3 dragon fruits today. Simple life in Hawaii.
breakfast.
Yeah, we get breakfast for tomorrow. Wow. I love this. Look. Okay, so next I will be watering my plants. Okay, so these are green onions. And in here, sunflower. Sunflower. Oh, I just suddenly remember. I will get some green onions because I plan to cook arroz caldo, or in Philippines we call it lugaw, if you know that. And I will get some for my garnishing. So let's go. There you go. So no need to buy. I have here green onions for my lugaw or arroz caldo for dinner. Yay! And one more thing, I will go at the back. Okay guys, so right now I'm at the back and look at our lemon. Oh, still small, but I will look for some lemons that are ready to be picked. Anyway, I will be needing just one. I need lemon for the lugaw later. for dinner. Arroz caldo. Ew. Okay, I found. Look at this. Wow. But then, like what I said, I only need one. This is the best one. I think this one, yeah. I think, yeah, we get plenty lemons coming. I need just one. And the best maybe is this. Looks like. So, I will get one. This is for our dinner. We need one to just drizzle in the lugaw, or I will be making chicken porridge. So this is it. Again guys, I save dollars. So this is our simple life here in the island of Hawaii. So I will be cooking lugaw later, and I will show you guys. And let's see if my hubby like to eat that lugaw. It's a Filipino dish, comfort food. Okay guys, so it's cooking time. I have here 2 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken meat. I will add ginger or luya. And then some salt to taste. Maglalagay po tayo ng asin. And then half of chicken cube. I will also put water. So for the water, enough to cover the chicken meat and enough to boil until it become tender. While boiling, don't forget to cover your pot. In this way, it's easier and faster for the meat to become tender. So pakuluan na po natin yung karne ng manok, at huwag kalilimutan habang nagpapakulo, takpan po natin yung ating kawali. After 20 to 25 minutes, the chicken meat should be tender. So after that, separate the chicken meat from the broth. And using the same pot, I will put around 4 tablespoons of margarine. But if you don't have Filipino margarine, you can substitute, use unsalted butter. Anyway, I don't see any big difference between margarine and butter. Maybe the color is more yellowish for the margarine. So, just melt the butter like this. Tunawin po natin yung margarine, or if butter ang gamit nyo, tunawin nyo po. And then next, add the diced garlic. Maglalagay po tayo ng bawang. So this is, I think, 4 cloves of garlic. Saute it. Keep an eye, don't burn the garlic, because if you burn the garlic, it will taste bitter. So, eto po, naglagay po ako ng bawang. Halo-haluin po natin. At huwag susunugin. Kasi pag nasunog yung bawang, taste po siya na bitter or mapait. And then, I added also minced ginger, or naglagay ako ng luya. So, saute them together. Now, wait for a few minutes until they become aromatic. So, lutuin po natin or igisa together yung bawang at saka luya. Bantayan po natin, halu-haluin para hindi po siya masunog. And now, let's add the tender chicken meat. Ito na po yung malambot na karne ng manok. So, nilagay na po natin. Cook for around 2 minutes. And now, let's add the Filipino fish sauce. Ito po yung ating tinatawag na patis for flavoring. Again, I will cook this for 2 minutes. Para hindi lang siya maglasang patis mamaya. Yun bang medyo fishy or salty like that. And then, also, let's add the chicken broth. Ito na po yung ating chicken broth from earlier. Just let boil for few minutes. Pakuluan po natin. Hayaan po natin siyang kumukulo-kulo. And then add the glutinous rice and normal rice. So I'm using 2 kinds. And make sure that before putting those rice, wash thoroughly. So for the measurement, I used 1 cup of glutinous rice and then half cup of the normal rice. Ayan. So the rice already there, keep an eye again because there is a tendency that if you don't mix, the rice will stick into your pot. Kaya after na nilagay po natin yung malagkit at saka yung bigas, halu-haluin po natin, medyo bantayan. Kasi posible na yung ating rice at malagkit didikit siya sa ating kawali. At ayaw nating mangyari yon, diba? So now you notice that the broth became thicker. So if you notice that the rice is not yet fully cooked and the broth is not enough, then add water. You can add water in it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show that the other half of the chicken cube I already added in here to add more flavor. And for the last touch, I put black ground pepper. So for me, this is enough. But feel free to add if you want more. Likewise, this is already the time to taste the lugaw, so you can adjust. You may want to add more of patis, but for me, I added salt instead. So guys, this is almost done. Very simple dish, but for sure, guarantee your family will love this one, especially your kids, because look at the lugaw. Oh, very meaty. You can see the chicken chunks in it. And the best way to serve this is while it's hot. Para, sabi nga nila, this is a comfort food. This is perfect for a cold weather, especially on rainy days. This is the number 1 Filipino comfort food during those seasons that I mentioned. So ayan, it's almost done, guys. If you want it more soupy, you can add water. But for me, this is already perfect. Closer look, ayan. Oh, it's almost done, guys. I think my husband will love this one. Oh, look at that. And before I serve, of course, I need to taste. Let's see. Mukhang approve naman, di ba? So now, it's time to chop the green onion leaves for garnishing. So this is the one that I picked earlier in the garden. So it's good to have a garden, especially vegetables. You don't only save money, but it's very comfortable. If you need it, just go and pick. Likewise, I will slice the lemon. Oh, look at this, very juicy. Okay, so I'm almost done. So next is, let's set the table. I have here a bowl of edamame and then 2 bowls of lugaw. Garnish with the chopped green onion leaves like this. And then I also have here my homemade toasted garlic. So, mince the garlic and then fry. And then, serve it. Oh, I can't wait, guys. I'm excited to see hubby's reaction and his comment or review for my lugaw, or also known, they call this chicken porridge. Yay! Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see. Let's hear it from my husband. Okay, let's eat. Try taste. This is Filipino lugaw. How do you call this one? Porridge, yeah? Chicken porridge. Let's eat. Try and give your review.
Good.
Okay.
Sarap.
Oh, put some lemon. There, like that.